बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 10 लीगल पैसेज रिकॉर्ड बाय सदाम चौधरी बाबा फरीद, शॉर्ट हैंड एंड टाइपिंग, भावनगर। फर्दर द criminal intent alleged must have direct nexus with the accused full stop. Further, in the case of Maqsood, State of Gujarat, this court has examined the vicarious liability of directors for the charge leveled against the company full stop. In the aforesaid judgment, this court has held that, the penal code does not contain any provision for attaching vicarious liability on the part of the managing director or the directors of the company, when the accused is a company full stop. It is held that vicarious liability of the managing director and director would arise provided any provision exists in that behalf in the stated full stop. It is further held that status indisputably must provide fixing such vicarious liability full stop. It is also held that, even for the said purpose, it is obligatory on the part of the complainant to make requisite allegations which would attract the provisions constituting vicarious liability full stop. New para. In the judgment of this court, in the case of Ali Haider, while examining the allegations made against the managing director of a company, in which, company was not made a party, this court has held that when the allegations made against the managing director are vague in nature, same can be the ground for questioning the proceedings under section 482 of CRPC. In the case on hand, principally the allegations are made against the first accused company which runs hotel Regency full stop. At the same time, the managing director of such company who is accused, number 2, is a party by making vague allegations that he was attending all the meetings of the company and various decisions were being taken under his signatures full stop. Applying the ratio laid down in the aforesaid cases, it is clear that principally the allegations are made only against the company and other staff members who are in charge of day-to-day affairs of the company full stop. In absence of specific allegations against the managing director of the company and having regard to nature of allegations made which are vague in nature, we are of the view that it is a fit case for questioning the proceedings, so far as the managing director is concerned full stop. The order dated 21-8-2015 passed by the Joint Commissioner of Police, by which representation of Miss Ali Abbas, compliance of order dated 3-7-2015 passed by this court, was rejected, is also placed on record full stop.